Hi guys, I'm Brad with Monero Marine. I'm standing in a 21-foot Parker. This is our next project and I think it's quite interesting. You might want to watch this video. Now it's got a real problem with the hardtop. Well, let me show you what it is. So as you can see, there's a lot of holes that have been drilled and sealed. Now it's quite rotten. Use our hammer test. See, it's just mush till you get to the edge. Even right at the edge, it's mushy. There, it's solid there. But somewhere the water's got in and it's rotted the balsa inside. So we got to fix that. So we've got to get the rotten balsa out and replace it. So we can either cut it out from the bottom or the top. We're going to cut it out from the top. That's what the owner wants us to do. And it's a lot easier to work from above than trying to glass from underneath. Real messy. First we'll get all the hardware removed. There's quite a bit there. And then we'll cut the fiberglass out. We've removed all the hardware from the hardtop. And now we're ready for the next step. As you can see, the balsa is absolutely soaked. Yeah, this is real bad. We've put 2 braces inside to support the hard top before we cut, because it's going to get more flexible. We don't want it to lose the shape. We've marked out where we want to cut along this blue and yellow tape line. This is the saw we're going to use to cut the hard top. It's got a diamond blade in it. I've already tried it and it's working pretty good. All right, here's the big reveal. Let's roll it up. And we have completely rotten balsa. It's soaking wet. What a mess. Here's a better look of the hardtop with the piece removed. Yeah. Just nothing left of the balsa. It's all wet. The front is a little better, sticking to the fiberglass. Here's the fiberglass piece we removed. That's what it looks like. So some balsa remaining on there. All right, we got all the balsa cleaned off. We've left a few inches of fiberglass around the perimeter because we don't want to cut off past the edge of the non-skid, which is right about there. So we will have to grind this, feather it out, and we glass over that. That's why we want to keep this material. Otherwise, we'll be grinding around the corner, and we want to avoid that. It's just a lot of extra work to have to reshape the corner. Now we're fitting all the pieces that will go around the perimeter.
We've pasted 1/2-inch balsa around the perimeter underneath the existing fiberglass using a polybond resin mixture. We've cut our balsa to fit and we put down 1 layer of 1-ounce mat. We're just rolling out the air bubbles and then we're going to put the balsa on top.
Okay, okay. Okay, drop it. Drop it. Okay, drop it.
We finish all our fairing and we're ready to spray the gel coat.
And now we are spraying the non-skid finish. We adjusted the spray pattern to what we like. All that's left now is to reinstall the hardware. We've installed all the hardware back on, and we've replaced the radar post with a sea view, complete with an anchor light, and the post has been moved a bit forward from where it was. So that completes this project.